What's up guys, Pyro Lincoln Coil here, and I'm going to do another unboxing of Big Fireworks Family Pack number 3. So for this one, I actually got this one at BIG Fireworks. Don't exactly remember the price. It was either 30 or 35. I think it was 30 bucks. And yeah, you can see they're getting a little bigger here. So let's check out what's in here in no order at all. We got the 3-pack of Junior Cuckoos by Mega Banger. And I think there's 3 packs of snappers here, 2 small and 1 large one. Yep. There we go. We got the strobe lights by BIG, 6 pieces. We have the Magnum Popper. This one I believe is generic. I don't see a brand name on here. Alright. Package of Black Snakes by Mega Banger. We have 1 Champagne Party Popper by Mega Banger. It's the only one I see so far. Right. Got a small Friendship Fountain by BIG. A small Golden Flower Fountain by BIG. We got the generic Conic Fireworks Cone. We got the Violets and Crimsons Cone by Mega Banger. Alright. We have the smaller Jade Flower Fountain by BIG. And the bigger one here, Jade Flower by BIG. You can see the size difference. Butterfly and Silver Flower Fountain by BIG. The Friendship Fountain, Mega Banger. The Friendship Fountain by BIG. We'll do these. So we got 2 10-inch Helena Volcanoes by Mega Banger. Those are nice. Got the Mega Banger Rojo Fountain. Very lightweight. Not expecting much from that. And last, 2 packages of sparklers, both 6 pieces. Number 8 gold, and one of them is bamboo stick. So that is Family Pack number 3 by BIG Fireworks from BIG Fireworks in Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching.